All right, today we're gonna bring a bird feeder with a camera. Now, those that love birds and you want to watch them close by, but you know you're afraid of scaring them off, all you got to do is get one of these. Add your food, your bird feeder, any kind of bird that you're going to be attracting. Make sure you put the right food, and then it comes with all these accessories. The camera's included in here. You have to set it up prior to setting it up on the roof or anywhere you're at. Now, it does come with solar panels, so you don't have to worry about charging it. It's going to charge itself. It's going to last you pretty much all day. It comes with instructions, covers, and other accessories, especially the antenna to get that distance on the actual camera. All right, options for the camera. Here's type C that you're going to be charging, where you're going to put the solar panel, power on. Memory card, if you want to capture the stuff instead of paying for the cloud services, you could do that, and then a reset button. So we're going to go ahead and set it up, but once you set it up, the antenna, you set it up in the back, and then you set up the actual bird feeder. Make sure you put the actual silicone cover so you could fill it up with the bird feeder before, and then set the rest up. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up first. I mentioned, very crucial, to connect the power to charge, it's gonna be in the back of the actual system. All right, so it's gonna be right here and be right behind it. All right, for more exotic birds, you have these options to set up other feeds in here, and then of course they got the hummingbird feed, which actually screws in any of these sections here. All right, and then if you want to set up some fruit, you can set these up. The little plastic picks, right? So we're not going to set none of these. These are options for tropical birds. Here we are. We're going to set up our camera in here. So we choose the camera automatically. Then we'll set up our wireless. So we connected our camera into our phone, and now we're able to rename it and set up the actual camera's name and everything else. So all right, let's take a look at the application for the bird watch. All right, so we're going to go into a live view right now. And if you guys can see, the actual video of the quality is really good, especially if you tilt your phone, you're going to be able to see. This is a live view. Now, every time there's a bird or something, I'm going to get a notification. Like right now, I was just getting a notification of something else movement, but it's mostly the trees. You could dim this down. You could change it. It has sound, so you could hear the audio. It's a two-way audio. Alarms, white light, sleep, and then of course speak. But speak is you're gonna scare the birds away. So I did set up some seeds right now. We'll put a little footage of what I capture, and this is very simple to set up. Of course, you could change it, and you can actually see how much the wireless is charging, if the wireless is working, and then how much it is charging. So we did put the solar panel. It's on top of the roof, if you guys can see that. I didn't mount it yet because I have another solar panel right next to it for lighting up my place right there. So it's working very well. And I also set up, if you guys can see, the hummingbird feeder, and we're going to capture some footage here. So let's go ahead and take a look, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I ended up putting the hummingbird feeder, also some bird seeds. You guys can see that. We're ready for them to come in, and I'm gonna adjust the camera right now.